Today we're going to make some transitions in Premiere with speed ramping, so let's check out an example. Here's that example I wanted to show you. We're going from normal speed to fast, and then fast to normal speed. Here's another example, same thing, just using speed to add a little bit of excitement. Here's one continuous shot, and we break it up with the speed ramp. So now let's build the transition from scratch. We have our two pieces of footage here, and without a transition, it's not that exciting. So first thing we do is we right click on the FX icon here in the top left, go to time remapping, make sure you have speed checked. Then we figure out where we want the change in speed to occur. Find that place and then set your keyframe. Then you can drag up this line here to change the speed on this side of the keyframe. I like to do 1000%. Then we can drag the keyframe over to add a ramp to the change in speed, and we can drag the blue thing to one side to change the shape of the ramp. And that's it. We go from normal speed to fast. So we do the same thing on the other clip, but we're starting off fast. We found our place to add the keyframe, change the speed 1000% to start off with, add a ramp, change the shape of the ramp a little bit, and that's it. But I want to make some changes to this ramp on the second clip here. So I'm going to change the amount of time it's spent at 1000%, make that shorter, and also shorten the ramp a little bit to make it more similar to the first clip. That's better. As we can see, going frame by frame, the change from 100% to 1000% speed, and vice versa. So that's it. Hope you guys like this video. I'm going to be making more content like this in the future. And as always, thumbs up and subscriptions are always appreciated. Thank you.